Hello everyone, welcome to Amarjyoti's Crochet World. Today I am here once again with my new tutorial. Today I am going to make the third and the final video regarding this Camel Amigurumi. In the first video we had made this head portion of camel. In second part we had made this body portion, and in third video we are going to make the legs for camel, right? So for making the legs, in this part 3 and final of this Camel Amigurumi, we are going to make the legs. You have to make 4 legs, so take the same yarn that you used for making the camel, right? For legs, make a magic circle. For making the magic circle, usually I wrap the yarn near the end, but for making this legs, I am taking the magic circle but taking a long loop of in between, so that I have to make the hooves like this. So I'll show you at the end how to make the hooves. First take 6 to 8 inches of tail and then make a magic circle, right? For making the legs, leave a tail in between the magic circle about 6 to 8 inches and then wrap the yarn over your finger and then make chain 1 and your magic circle, leaving this much tail, right? And then make 6 single crochet in the magic circle. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Pull the tail. This time, as we leave the tail backward to hide inside, but this time I want the tail to come out, so bring this yarn, the tail that I have left 6 to 8 inches in between the magic circle, don't leave it backward, bring it in front, right? I'll show you. When you will make the legs, I have made the rest, only one is left that we are going to make. So we will be making the legs like this, but the tail will come out, right? So like this, you have, while crocheting, row 1, 6 single crochet, and then don't leave the tail on the back side, bring it in front, right? And then row number 2, make 2 single crochet in each of the stitches, that is total of 12. 1 2 3 and 4 5 and 6 7 and 8 9 and 10, and last 2 single crochet 11 and 12. So this is row number 2, 12 single crochet, 2 single crochet in each of the stitches. So row number 3, for row number 3 I am taking the different this pattern, so that is why I am taking this stitch marker. So 1 single crochet in the first stitch, mark it with the stitch marker, 2 single crochet in the next, 1 2 1 and 2 single crochet in the next, 1 in the first, 2 in the next, 1 in the first, 2 in the next, and 1 in the first and last stitch left, make 2 single crochet in the last stitch. So total stitch count after row number 3 will be 18. Now remove the marker. Now this is the base of your camel's feet. Now I am going to make 1 single crochet in each of the stitches, but in the back loop only. So you have seen this V, go in the back side loop that is away from you. The one loop that is facing your side is the front loop. The loop that is away from you is the back loop. So make 1 single crochet in each of the back loop only. 18 stitches will remain same. 2 3 4 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18, right? This will create an edge for the hoofs of your camel. Now next round, make one single crochet in first stitch, mark the stitch with the stitch marker, and next 2 stitches to be stitched together, that is an invisible decrease. One single crochet in the next and 2 single crochet stitched together in the next one and a decrease, 1 and a decrease, 1 and a decrease. The last 3 stitches left, one single crochet in first stitch, and then next 2 stitches are stitched together. So total stitch count after this row will be 12. It will look like this, right? Now your 12 stitch count will remain same till the whole leg, right? Now I am going to make, let me tell you, 15 rows with one single crochet in each stitch. That is, total stitch count will remain 12. One single crochet in each of the stitches. Make 15 rows after this. Currently we are working in row number 6. So from row number 6 to row number 20, we are going to work for one single crochet in each of the stitches. That is 15 rows with one single crochet in each of the stitches, and then keep stuffing when you reach the full length, right? So I'll meet you at the end of row number 20. I have made this leg with 15 rows. I have stitched, I have crocheted and then stuffed with the stuffing. Like this, the rest of the 3 legs are also done. So total 4 legs you have to make for the camel. Now this is the body and this is the head. Now we are going to make the assembly, right? So for assembling your amigurumi, that camel, take the head part and near the center you'll see, just put it like this and then start sewing up to this portion where you can see it's attaching, it's connecting, right? So sew it completely like this, right? And 4 legs, one here like this. Here we have to sew 2 in front and 2 at the back, right? So after sewing these legs and the head, I'll meet you in a while. Then I'll show you how to make the hooves. These hooves I am going to make at the end when I'll attach the legs to the body and the head to the body. So where you have to attach the head is, see the center, take the head, you can see the corner part of this head, keep it over here like this. So sew it about 4 to 5 rows of the head, sew it over the body part. Okay, so I'll meet you in a while when I'll attach these legs and the head to the body. Okay, now I have stitched the head and the legs also, right? Now I'm going to show you how to make the hooves. The tails that I told you to leave in between the magic circle, I have needle to take the needle, and then what I am going to do is I am going to make the hooves. Now the yarn is coming out of here, go in the center again. Okay, it's like coming out over from here. So go in the center and leaving about 2 rows bring your needle in front and make it tight and go back from outside. We are going to make a cut like a hoof, like this. So pull the yarn tightly and then again go through the center below and then coming back over here and then bring it like this. Make it 2 or 3 times and then come back to the center below and then tie a tight knot and hide the yarn in between the legs. Cut the extra tail. Now let me show you, like this. In this way you will find the hoof of your camel. Once more I am going to show you for the second leg. Go through the center and bring it in front, leaving 2 or 3 rows, and then pull it tightly and then make it 2 or 3 times and then create a cut. Like this. Pull it as tightly as you can and then come back to the center. 2 or 3 times is enough and then come back to the center and make a tight knot and hide the yarn in between the legs. That's it. This will create the cut like a hoof, like this. The hoofs of your camel. Right? The rest of the 2 legs I'm going to make the hoofs in a while. I'm just coming in a while. So I have done the hoofs for the 4 legs of your camel. So your beautiful and cute Camel Amigurumi is done. Hope you like my video on making this beautiful and cute amigurumi animal of camel. Please give it a thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and write in the comment section how you like my videos. If you have any suggestions, your suggestions are always welcome, and please press the bell icon so that you will get the notification for each and every upload I will make on my channel. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you once again.